How to create TikTok videos in NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all editing and sharing features. Once you are on the dashboard, click on the Start Editing button. Here you will find AI tools such as Image Edit or Text to Image, while direct video creation is not yet supported. If you don't have your own media, you can use the text to image feature to generate creative visuals with AI. Simply give a prompt describing the image you want and it will create one that fits your TikTok video style. For existing photos, you can use the Image Edit tool to enhance or customize them before adding them to your project. Once your media is ready, drag and drop it into your editing timeline. Add engaging text overlays like trending, captions, hashtags or call to actions to make your video more interactive. You can also include AI avatars if needed to add more personality to your content. Apply effects and filters to keep your images fun, creative and attention-grabbing. Once done, download the images and repeat the same steps. After you have several visuals from NanoBanana.ai, open any video editing software. Then import the images and create a perfect TikTok video by arranging them with music, transitions and effects. Finally, export your finished video and upload it directly to TikTok to share it with the world. Now you know how to create TikTok videos in NanoBanana.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.